Hi students, today we're going to look again at seeing fractions as division, and we're going to do another task today, and this one's called apple picking with improper fractions. A group of 8 girls went apple picking. The girls picked a total of 25 pounds of apples. They each wanted to take home the same amounts of apples. How many pounds of apples will each girl get? So here I have my girls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 girls. And together they're going to share the 25 pounds of red delicious apples they picked. Now remember, when we did other problems like this, we had to think about what we're dividing. Here we're dividing the 25 pounds of apples. So the 25 is going to be our numerator. The girls, the 8 girls that we're dividing the apples with, represent our whole, so they're going to become our denominator. When we write this out numerically to show it actually as a fraction, it would look like this: 25 over 8. When we look at this answer here, 25 over 8, we see the numerator is larger than the denominator. When this happens, we call it an improper fraction. It doesn't follow our usual thoughts of a fraction of being 1/8 or 2/8. Here we can make it into a mixed number. Another way we can write this is just like it is a regular division problem, is 25 divided by 8. Now, since we have already done simple division, we know that 8 goes into 25 3 times with the remainder of 1. Here we have our 8 girls, and we need to distribute the apples among them equally. I'm going to let 1 red apple equal 1 whole pound of apples. Now I'm going to go to the first girl. I'm going to give her a pound, the second a pound, the third a pound, and we're going to keep going until we redistribute the whole 25 pounds. If you look at this, each girl gets 3 whole pounds of apples, but that leaves 1 pound left over. Let's think, what do we need to do? Well, if you remember from previous lessons, we want to take that last pound and divide it 8 ways. Remember, an apple represents a whole pound. So watch as we take that whole pound and divide it into 8 sections. Now that we have divided that last pound of apples into 8 equal sections, we can now give each girl 1 section of that last pound. Now look, how much does each girl get of the 25 pounds of apples? Well, you can easily see this at this time. So this leads us to our answer. And the answer is every girl will get 3 1/8 pounds of apples each.